Hi everyone, welcome back to another Face Mask Friday. It's not Friday, nor is this really, it's an eye mask. But yeah, I'm back. I haven't been on for months now. Longtime viewers may remember me from doing a long series where we did face masks. Um, but yeah, today I'm gonna do an eye mask. Someone in a previous video commented it was about the like steamed eye masks. Link here. But they commented that what's the environmental impact and the cost. They were single use, and they talked about USB eye masks. So we have one now. This is it. It's really nice packaging. I like it. We got it off Amazon. It was $26.75 Canadian. We've been using it a couple of nights now. One of us has used it more than the other. It smells nice. Yeah, so let's take a look at it. In this little package, it came with a bunch of random things. We have the eye mask here. And yeah, it has a USB connection, which just plugs into either USB or we have like a wall outlet, and plugging it in, it heats up. It also came with scent pads. I assume you're supposed to put it inside here, but we haven't really used them much. They do smell nice though. It's lavender and cassia seed bags. Let us know if you know what that is. It's really simple to use. Of course, you literally just put it on and turn it on. It has a handful of settings for a length of time in which you wish to wear it, from 10 minutes to 30 minutes, and a temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, which sounds really, really hot to me. But that's actually what I tend to use the most. Little controller right here. Turn it on. Let's crank it to the max. I have it set to 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The only time I've really worn this is when I am going to sleep. So it's nice that it has like a timer for that. And when I put it on, or when I've actually used it, I tend to fall asleep like immediately, so the 30 minutes probably isn't necessary. Yeah, this is just kind of how it goes. It's already warming up now. It's pretty quick. It's not like burning hot, obviously. It gradually gets there. Next, after putting this on, I'd probably just go to bed. I'm already pretty tired. I've been studying for an art history exam coming up. When you see this, it's probably already happened, and I've probably done fine. But at this point, good times. It's kind of similar to the other masks, I'll call them the disposable masks, the single-use masks, because those ones were just like you use it and it's done for the night. This one is with the timer, just kind of done when it's done. And then you just have like a normal sleep mask on, which is kind of nice for me because I tend to stay up late and sleep in the mornings because of school. Most of my classes are in the evening. Yeah, should we take a look at like the insides of it? It can just open up, which is kind of nice because like if you need to clean it, that's pretty useful. And yeah, it just is like a little pouch within here, which is why like these little scented ones, I think either just go on top or instead of it maybe. And so if you need to, you can wash this because it can get sweaty. Trust me, I'm a sweaty guy, it happens. So you can clean it, or you could replace it, or make a new one. So out of five, what would I give it? I don't know. What did I give the original ones? I probably gave those a 5, yeah. So I think by extension, these would probably rate really highly because they are pretty similar. I haven't really used the steaming effect at all. Someone has. What did you think about that? Was it very steamy?
Yeah, it's not as steamy as the other ones, but I definitely do think it does make a difference.
Okay.
So I like using the steam.
I guess I'd give it. I want to rate it higher than the other ones, if that makes sense. But there's certainly a couple things I think that could be improved. I think I probably would have preferred wireless, just because the wire is a little like cumbersome in a way. Other than that, like that's the only thing, in my opinion. So yeah, I'll give it a 5.
5.1.
5.1, or downgrade the other one to 4 and give this a 4.5. So, either way, still really nice, good mask, good for sleeping. Like, yeah, whenever we put it on, it usually just like knocks us out. Would I repurchase? Is an interesting question. Simply because I feel like this doesn't really need repurchasing unless it like breaks. It does seem like it's going to be fairly durable, and like the single-use ones I would repurchase because those were really good. If this one were to break like right now, I probably wouldn't. If it were to break in like a year, yes. So it's about the durability at that point. Hopefully my rambling made some coherence. Thank you everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on social media. Don't forget to become a patron if you want to on Patreon. Yeah, we'll see you next week, and wish me luck on my exam. Bye!